We just came from testing today. It was like, it's like probably the 6th quarter-mile pass we have on it, so
right.
Still kind of easing into it. But
tell us a little bit about the combination.
It's a 5-liter Coyote. It's 305 cubic inches. It's a sleeve block. It's got a power light in it, 8.8, and Pro Mod 85 turbo. And I run the Poly Dominator on it.
What kind of things you guys doing to it to tweak it and try and figure things out?
Well, really, today our only goal was to go at 7, and
did a couple times, right?
Yeah. We were hoping to pick up a little bit on that last one, but mainly it's just the power's there. We're just trying to figure out how to put it down.
Do you have any idea on how much power it makes?
1,400 maybe.
Cool. And how much boost does it crank out?
That pass there should have been 26 pounds. So
okay.
We got about 5 or 6 pounds to go.
Where are you based out of?
We're out of St. Louis.
Okay. And last but not least, anyone that you want to plug or anything like that?
Jim Hollowell with Hollowell Custom Fabrication, Brad Cruckberg Wagon Wheel, Eric Holiday and the whole JPC crew. They helped me out with the motor, pretty much tuning anything. They helped out a whole lot with it. And Dad couldn't
off camera.
Couldn't do it without him. It's nice to have somebody to share things with.
Right on, man. Well, congrats on the new best, and best of luck in the future with it.
Thank you.